thought I was done filming for the day, but look who decided to arrive. And I'm gonna be reviewing the IPSY Glam Bag for August 2022. Oh, look how cute this bag is. It feels really nice and soft. How cute. This is my favorite part of IPSY Glam Bag, this little bags. Like, I'm obsessed with them. I love like collecting them, and then I like to give them, like stuff them and give them as gifts. Some I do keep for me. Let's open it up and see. Let me tell you, last month, I don't know what was going on, but IPSY Glam Bag like blew my mind. Items that I got, I don't know if you saw the video or not, but there was a lot of like full-size items that I was even confused. Like, is this my glam bag or is this my glam bag plus? Let's see what we got. It's a nice size. Is by BeautyStyle. I have received this before, but it was even smaller. I don't remember from who. Probably IPSY. Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. I don't know if I can use this because I have the keratin treatments. Just like certain things that you should use and should not. Love hair products and all of that. So, who's this? I forgot that for IPSY Glam Bag you do get this, so we don't have to guess. So this, the full size of this, which is the 8 ounce, remember this is just 1 ounce, so the 8 ounce of this would be $42. BeautyStyle is a pretty pricey brand, but I haven't tried like any full size of their stuff. I'm gonna see what this is. Definitely going for a giveaway. This is the Jasmine Beauty Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. The deluxe sample. The full-size version would be $24. Falsies like length without the hassle. Sign us up. The wand has a thicker brush base that evenly combs through lashes for a clump-free finish, plus a tapered tip to grab those small, hard-to-reach corners. I only use waterproof mascara if you're new to my channel. It's definitely going to a giveaway. Never heard of Jasmine Beauty at all. The bag is not as impressive right now. Wait, am I missing something or is something in here? Because I'm counting and I see 4 things. We have something here. I was about to say how pretty the color is. Gorgeous. We have a angled brush. This is from the brand Estate. The full size, it retails for $10. Line your eyes like a total pro with this eyeliner brush. I usually use this kind of brush to do my brows. It's so pretty. I love getting brushes. The firm bristles will help you create crisp, straight lines easily. Dip the brush directly eyeshadow or cream eyeliner, then trace it along your lash line. What do you think? One thing that I'm, okay. It's not my favorite kind of brush though. My favorite brush would be an eyeshadow brush. This I'm happy about. If you know, I'm a perfume junkie. Thank God they sent another scent because they've sent several of the Juliet Has a Gun, but this is the Lily Fantasy. The deluxe sample, the full size would be 100 ml for $135. Flowers and ambery notes with a bubblegum Vermont twist come together in this feel good, smell good cocktail. This I'm definitely gonna smell now. The perfume that I have on right now, it's by Skylar. It's a coconut one, so delicious. Okay, let me put it here. Oh, first impressions, I like it. But of course it has to dry because right now it smells too much like alcohol. When it dries, it's coming like some notes that are really attractive. This little thing by the brand Araceli. I really like the Araceli eyeliner, liquid liner. This is really cute. It's like eyes, chocolate, copper. These are definitely not my favorite things to get at all. I'll put that for a giveaway, but I'll tell you about it. The best of both worlds with this eyeshadow. Well, featuring a neutral matte chocolate shade and a shimmery copper shade in a non-creasing, non-caking, and moisturizing formula, thanks to agave extract. The full palette would be $30. This is a deluxe sample. But look at this packaging. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous. Browns. I actually have kind of something like this on today, but that's going for a giveaway. These just little like duos like this get lost for me. I can't say I'm impressed with the bag at all. I'm also getting the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that. And let me know if you receive your bag. Do you like your bag? Or let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.